Wepa, mi gente. It's your boy Dr. Kizomba, and right now you guys are home, okay? This is the Dr. Kizomba studio, as you guys can see. I'm your boy Dr. Kizomba right now. Ay, meu coração sangra, papa hue sangra, mama hue Okay, Sunday, guys. Sunday, September 10, okay? We're gonna have an open house right here. An open house so that you guys can try all our dances, okay? We're gonna have a little bit of kizomba. We're gonna have that salsa. We're gonna have that bachata. We're gonna have that kuduro and Afro beats, okay? We're gonna have a lot of things, and it's free, okay? It's totally free. You guys can come on Sunday, okay? September 10, and you guys gonna have actually a free day, and then you can choose, okay? You can choose which classes you wanna take. You can choose if you wanna take all the classes. You can choose whatever the heck you wanna do, okay? That's gonna be a special delivery for the Dr. Kizomba Studios right now, right here in Montreal, my people. Here's where we dance, okay? Here's where we present our things, you know what I'm talking about. This is the spot where basically we call the Kizomba house, okay? So you guys already know your boy Dr. Kizomba been dancing for a long time, but now you guys are actually welcome, all right, to enjoy the dance classes right here at this amazing studio located at 1252 De Blory, okay, downtown Montreal, my people. And if you want to take your private classes, dance classes, you can come right here. We have amazing instructors that can feed your needs, okay, and can make you do this beautiful, amazing kizomba dance all day, all night, all right? Come on, let's go on September 10 right here, okay? Bring your partner, come by yourself, whatever you want. Let's start a beautiful dancing scene for yourself. Doesn't matter what style you do, we're gonna cover for you, okay? Kudos, give me a bounce. See you soon. Yeah, man.